Welcome friends, local Florida gal, aka Bex. My real name is Becky. You can call me whichever one you prefer. I am here on a staycation with my husband and our 6-month-old giant schnauzer. This is our first staycation for being transplants from Miami, and we are enjoying it. We are in the Fort Wilderness campsite, staying in a cabin, which I will drop the link down here to the overview of the inside of the cabin and pretty much the cabin tour. And today we're going to go ahead and do one of the activities here, plus you're going to see a whole bunch of YouTube shorts of other activities. Paint ceramic, or paint your own ceramic. I have never done this before, never seen it, never YouTube it, so let's go ahead and check it out and see what it's all about. Let's do this. So the Paint Your Own Ceramic is currently located at the Bike Barn Recreational Rentals. Pretty much there'll always be a sign out here with any type of extra special activities that they are doing for any, holidays or anything. In this case, we are staying July the 4th week, so these are the current offerings that they have. Definitely want to try to do as much as I can while I'm here. You want to get here about 15 minutes earlier. You don't need to make a reservation prior, and you just want to say that I want to participate in the Paint Your Own Ceramic activity. They will go ahead and give you a few to go ahead and choose from, and then the cast member will go ahead and give you a set of markers in which the activity then takes place out here, and you pick your own spot, and let's go ahead and check out what we got. So we chose the castle to go ahead and paint. It is very cute. This is what it looks like. And these are the set of markers that they give you. And the activity is normally an hour, but you can be here longer. And if you have any questions, the cast member is right there to help you. Let me show you in my receipt what I actually paid. I am an annual pass holder, so it actually came out 10% off. I saved $1, so with tax and everything, it came out to $9.59, which is not bad for, an activity that you can go ahead and do, and it's fun, and you get a little keepsake to go home with. So I do want to add before I get started on this activity that it is 10 a.m. And it is already hot and sticky and sweaty, and I am under a tree in the shadiest part on this table. So if you're willing to sweat it out because it is not indoors, then this is the activity for you. Again, it is July 3rd, but just something to think about. I've been out here for 5 minutes just setting up, and I'm already sweating. I can't wait for pool time. So just a thought. So here is my finished piece. Of course, you know I'm always going to do a hidden Mickey. I am no artiste, and I barely draw stick people, but I think I did an overall good job for, you know, being it is what it is. But now they're going to go ahead and spray a glossy coat to go ahead and seal the deal. Let's get that done. Just kidding, I'm not done. I want to go ahead and add gold to the trimmings of the windows. Okay, so now we are officially done. We have to go get the spray now to make it glossy. I saw a missed opportunity to do some gold around it, and I mean, you can never have too much gold, right? So here is my finished piece. I'm so proud of it. And on the bottom, I put the initials of me, my husband, and our puppy that we are here in the year 2024. Let's get this bad boy glossed. Well, friends, the final piece has been sprayed and it is officially drying in the sun for 20 minutes. I am super proud of what I did, I have to say. I barely draw stick people, and look at me, and I am slightly colorblind. I can't see the difference between green, blue, and sometimes red and purple. So here I am. So hopefully my colors make sense. My husband and everybody out here that watches my video will go ahead and judge me. So with that said, I hope you like this video. Go ahead and subscribe to Local Florida Gal. Hit that like button if you think I'm doing all right, and hit that notification bell, because there is a lot of videos coming of this staycation. We're staying here from the 2nd to the 4th, and we're gonna see fireworks at night in Magic Kingdom. So have a magical day.